How to delete a photo on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to remove a photo post from your TikTok profile on your Android device. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, you'll be taken to your TikTok profile page. Now, scroll through your posts to find the photo you want to delete. Tap on the photo post to open it in full screen. Moving forward, tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the screen. A menu will appear with different options. Afterwards, look for Delete in the menu options. Tap on Delete to remove the photo post. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Your photo post is now permanently removed from TikTok. It will no longer appear on your profile or in anyone's feed. Note that deleted posts cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to delete it. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you delete a photo on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.